Hey guys, welcome to SU Cubing, and today we will be unboxing the Rubik's Color Blocks Cube. So I got this at a Barnes & Noble, you can see, for $15. And I also got another cube over there that I will be making a different video on. But let's get into this. Okay, let's get this box out of the way. And this is actually the solved position you need to get it in. And let's do some turns. Oh, that looks really weird. I've seen Rubik's mirror blocks where it looks just like this, except the stickers are like mirror pattern. But I think you can solve this just like a normal 3x3 Rubik's Cube. This is a normal Rubik's brand cube that you would find at a store. And then there's this one. I did drop this cube a lot. I did drop this cube a lot, so it does corner cut decently well. How about this one? Can I corner cut a little bit? Nope, I don't think so. Oh. So on a standard Rubik's Cube, you can do a checker pattern. So let's see how it looks in this one. Oh my god. This is how it looks. This looks so weird. This looks like a different kind. This doesn't even look like a Rubik's Cube. So I will leave a link in the description to where you can buy this on Amazon, although I did get this from a Barnes & Noble bookstore. So now I will actually scramble this, and I will do solve on this to see if I can actually solve it, and see if my hypothesis is right, and see if it actually is like a 3x3. Scramble it a bit more. Okay, and I will do a time lapse starting right now. So that was a lot harder than I thought. It actually made me not remember a bunch of algorithms, which is why some of those pauses, I was actually on the normal 3x3 trying to figure out the algorithms. Anyway, that's pretty much it. It was painful to solve, and see you next time. Bye.